Hi everyone. What I have for you today is a very simple and straightforward maintenance item you can do for your laptop computer. I've just finished blowing out the dust from the fan that keeps my computer CPU cool, and I want to share this with you so that it can help the lifespan of your computer, as well as make sure the computer's got good venting so it doesn't overheat. And then finally, the other way it benefits is that the fan will last longer and that it won't burn out as quick. For the average person, financially speaking, it's not worthwhile removing a laptop computer's fan and replacing it. It's honestly like an archaeological dig. So I own a modest compressor. I've actually got it for the wheelchair, so I'm able to inflate my tires at my home myself. So what I've put on the hose is just the fan that you would use for cleaning or dusting in a factory setting. And I've set the PSI down low on the compressor itself, and just given a shot of air both in this angle and then also in this angle. If you're allergic to dust, you'll want to wear a respirator on your face. It'll block your nose and your mouth. This is so you're not breathing in the dust. This particular time, it wasn't bad when I did it. I've done it where a cloud has come out of computers before. It's not that someone's messy or unclean, it's just the amount of static electricity that builds up around the computer's fan. Do yourself a favor, spend a few minutes cleaning it out, maybe twice a year. If you don't have a compressor, you can buy an aerosol can of compressed air to use on it. I would highly encourage you to have the computer off, as well as the battery unplugged or removed, and then removed also from the power source, so that you're not causing a short circuit in your computer. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, then I encourage you to go to a professional so you won't injure your computer by short circuiting it. Thanks for this time today. I hope this helps you. Bye for now.